In the very heart of Izmir, hidden beneath the noise of the modern city, lies a secret. This is the Yeşilova Mound. This is where life began in Izmir, exactly 8,500 years ago. This area, surrounded today by shopping malls, roads, and buildings, actually houses one of the oldest settlements in Anatolia. With its layers extending back to the Neolithic Age. The Yeşilova Mound takes the history of Izmir much further back than we think. The people who lived here practiced agriculture, raised animals, and produced their own tools, the pottery, stone tools, and house remains unearthed from the soil still whisper traces of daily life from thousands of years ago. This mound is not just an excavation site. It is also the footprints of Izmir's first inhabitants. Imagine, thousands of years ago, fires were lit, food was cooked, and life was established on these lands we walk on today. Before cities existed, Izmir breathed here. Yesilova Mound reminds us of this. Izmir is not just made up of ancient cities. Izmir is one of the starting points of civilization. And this story is still waiting to be told beneath the earth.